What's up, everybody? It's Wade with Watchin', and we are back for another Wheels on Wednesday. I honestly I don't want to say forgot Wheels on Wednesday, but I forgot today was Wednesday. So I'm going to flip you around. Let's crack open a Hot Wheels Redline box and see what we got. All right, we are up on the roof rack of Pops 56, and I think I've said before, I'm guessing these numbers probably tell you exactly what's in here. I honestly don't know. I have a stack of boxes to open from Hot Wheels just sitting on my pool table. And yeah, some of them have been there long enough. I don't even remember what I ordered. I don't know what I have on order from Hot Wheels. But let's open this bad boy up and take a look. All right, so we've got one actually in a box instead of just a carded one. This one says Kenny, I'm not sure. I can't read that signature. Hold on, these ones I try and open a little bit more carefully because we're gonna actually pull this out of the box here. Man, I still can't tell what that says. Kenny Shelf? Kenny, I don't know. Kenny, haha. I mean, we got very cartoonish looking stuff going on the inner box. If I could get it open, because I dent it, break it. Kenny, I give up on that one. But we have what looks, I was gonna say, it almost looks like an octopus or something crazy, because it looks like we have weird teeth and an eyeball. Very cartoonish. Oh, there we go. Kenny Scharf's Zoom Custom T-Bird. Now, I probably picked this up just because I thought it was cool, the artwork. Obviously, it's a limited edition. Kenny Scharf. I still don't have it down. T-Bird. I am not going to lie, guys. Ooh, can I open this without having it go flying? Maybe not right now. That is probably my least favorite Thunderbird ever made. You know, as far as real life. I mean, this custom car is pretty cool. It's got crazy graphics and faces and stuff all over it. But I was never a fan of the front end of this body style T-Bird. I just didn't like them. Let me open this up. Hold on. Much easier from behind the camera than in front of the camera. We can get a little bit better look. Looks like we have an opening hood. It's kind of crazy looking. I don't know. I don't know why I picked this one up other than it was probably some super limited edition shenanigans. But I do like all the artwork on it. So I'm going to backtrack a little bit and show you this. Certified that your Hot Wheels Kenny Scharf car was created through collaborative efforts of the engineers and artists at MATTEL. I don't know that I've gotten a certificate of authenticity in any of my other cars. If I have, maybe they were in the box and I just didn't notice. That's kind of cool, kind of neat. It'll definitely stay with the car. And you know what, randomly, I like, a lot of these packages don't have this in there, but I like that that was something added to keep the packaging and everything in good shape in the box. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.